Excuse me. Hey girl, excuse me. 'Tis the season to be jolly and stun on them at all of the holiday parties. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. I'm back. So before we go any further, you already know what I'm about to say. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, why not? Tell me why. Let me know in the comments. Just be like Nike. Just do it. Hit the subscribe button. Notification bell is up there too. I mean, 2 seconds and it's free. Okay? Now we got that out the way. Let's talk about this look. Okay? Let me talk about this look. So, Christmas is upon us. You know, the Hallmark Channel is giving us a lot of Christmas movies. Lifetime giving us a lot of Christmas movies. Netflix giving us a lot of Christmas movies. And there's always a party. Always a party scene. Wanna know why? Because Christmas is that season of party, glam, makeup, all that, and then some, okay? So I went all that and then some in today's look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, y'all, you know what to do. Just keep watching. So I went on ahead and did my eyeshadow base off camera so we can jump right into the look. I'm going to be using the Perception palette, the Makeup Shayla and ColourPop collaboration. I haven't used this in a while, so we're going to see if it still has the juice and if we can still rock this palette for the holiday season, okay? So what I'm going to do first is find the right brush, one. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the color Played Out, this matte brown shade right here, and I'm just going to work that onto my crease until I feel good about what I see. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to take the color Revenge and I'm just going to buff that into my crease to knock off some of these harsh lines. You know what? I'm playing myself with this brush. I'm going to take a smaller buffing brush. I'm going to take my Morphe 514 brush and do what I need to do. Now that I got this kind of how I like it, y'all know, if y'all been watching any of my videos, like any of them, you know that it always looks atrocious before it looks better. Like, trust me. Although I am kind of scaring myself because I'm like, girl, where are you going? Where are you going with this look? But I always say there are no rules in makeup, so I'm gonna just work it out until I feel good about it. If that means my blend game gotta be extra strong for a couple of extra minutes, that's fine. That's what editing is for. I don't know if it's my skin tone color or if it's just what colors I gravitate towards, but blues, purples, magentas, like I can't keep my hands off of them. But today I'm gonna try something a little different. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease because it's about that time. It's about that time. And I'm gonna go ahead and just take that same brush that I prime my eyes with and I'm just gonna work it out until I feel good about it. Anybody that knows me in real life knows I'm hella extra. So this look is about to be hella extra. So just brace yourselves, y'all. It's about to be hella extra to me. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take my NYX glitter glue base, whatever it's called, and I'm going to pack that on top of the P. Louise with a smaller brush, more detailed, you know, make sure everything's straight and all. And we're just gonna see what happens. I'm just gonna be taking some body glitter, which I mean, my eyes are part of my body, so I guess I can use it on my eyes. And I'm just going, this is the color Golden, I'm just going to pack that on to my eyelids and just like, you know, see what happens. Alright, now that I look like a Christmas ornament, I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe, one of my Neutrogena wipes, and I'm just going to just make sure everything is straight and seamless and nice and straight, you know. Make sure everything is cool. I try not to do too much pulling because I don't want crow's feet when I'm older, but you know, hey, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Now that everything is crisp and cleaned as best as it's gonna be clean, because I mean you can't get rid of all glitter, it just doesn't work that way, we can go ahead and start with the face. So I'm just gonna be taking my CoverGirl True Matte Made foundation in the color T60. It's a gold oldie but goodie, but I'm gonna see if she still got the juice too. And for concealer, I'm going to be mixing two of my favorite concealers. This is the Makeup Revolution in the color C10, and then this is NARS. I'm not going to butcher the name. It's just medium 1.5. Yes, medium dark 1.5. And I'm just going to work that under my eyes until I feel good about it. Alright, to set everything in place, I'm going to be using an oldie but goodie. I'm going to be using my Patrick's powder, y'all. I'm ready for it to restock because your girl is getting a little low. But yeah, this is like my holy grail. Like, fight me on it. I love it. To bring color back into my face, your girl is using her Pure 4-in-1. Give her a little bit more life. Make sure she all one color and whatnot, you know. Because we cannot be two-toned at no Christmas party, okay? It's not good for the photo booth. I might not even have to bronze, but to be on the safe side, I'm gonna bronze anyway. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills per the usual, because I can't find my NYX. So might as well grab Anastasia. I'm just gonna go ahead and just give myself some feature. Well, you know what? I take that back. I'm gonna enhance my features, you know what I'm saying? Because makeup is to enhance, not cover up, you know? Can't be sending the wrong message to these girls coming up, okay? Yep. Alright, and then for my highlighter, I'm gonna be going into my Ofra. This is in the color Rodeo Dry. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Let me swatch it for y'all. Let me see. Let's see. Look at that, look at that, look at that. We're gonna put it all on my cheekbones. Yeah. Excuse my hand. My resting hand. Oh my goodness. Let me go ahead and put this onto my cheekbones. Highlight a few features, you know what I'm saying? Nobody is outshining us at the company soiree at all. Sorry, not sorry. And it don't look ashy or anything. Like, this is cute. For blush is I'm going to be taking my oldie but goodie, my NARS, my good old NARS Blush and Orgasm. This is just one of those like blush tone colors that is just, it's just beautiful on any skin tone. Like, I don't care if you're the palest of the pale or the darkest of the dark, like this is like universal. So we're gonna use it. Now I got my Life Together. My P. Louise base has oxidized and melted into my skin per the usual. I went on ahead and threw on like my typical Ardell lashes, but because I wanted them a little bit more full, I went on ahead and just took my favorite mascara at the moment, the Climax mascara from NARS. Went on ahead and, so now we are ready to finish the rest of the face. So what I'm gonna do is, I think I'm just gonna take, what two colors did I use in this palette first? Okay, so I used Played Out and Revenge, but I think I'm just gonna go back in with Revenge right here, and I'm just going to dust that across my lower lash line and see how I feel about it. I think I'm gonna go back in with the color Played Out right here, and I'm gonna just do the same thing. For the rest of my bottom lash, I'm just gonna take what's ever left of my Urban Decay, what is this? The 24-7 Glide On Pencil, and I'm just gonna go ahead and swipe that across my waterline as well, just because I feel like it. And it's the holiday Christmas party, it's 'tis the season to be out and about, so why not be extra? I mean, like, why not? I have been loving these Milani matte lip creams. The only thing is that they don't really dry like matte. They obviously it's a cream, but I don't like either be a matte or be a gloss, but the cream I'm not really feeling. So to combat that, I'm just gonna go in and use my butter gloss from NYX in the color Madeline, and I'm just going to just dust this across. Ooh, move my mirror. Just dust this across my lips just to give me a little gloss. And it's still flesh tone, so it doesn't dilute the color of the lipstick that I'm about to put on top of it. So it's a win-win for everybody. Maybe just a little more, just in case. Let me see, what color is this? This is in Covey or Covet if you're from Oklahoma. And I'm just gonna place this on my lips until I feel good about it. This is the completed look, y'all. This is bomb. Like, if you don't think it's bomb, you're a hater and goodbye. Like, see your way out of my channel, okay? This look is fly. Like, it's fly. Tell me what you think. Like, your girl is, I feel like I need to call somebody and really get some bona fide plans, because I just have like a meeting or two later on today, but I feel like I need to go out for real, for real. Okay, but anyways, if you like the video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see more of, what you don't want to see more of. Like, help me help you. Like, this is a give and take relationship. You feel me? But yeah, make sure that you're checking in with me on my other social media accounts as well, y'all. Remember that until my next upload, the kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So, until next time, remember to be kind and be you.